It looks like these birds might have a nest up here in the eaves of the house, because there's a lot of birds we just noticed. And of course there's Oreo. See there you go. They come up near the roof line. There's another one. That's the same one. It's kind of hard to see them. But they circle around and they'll come right up here to this roof line. And then they'll go over there to the other side. Anyway, it looks like they stopped, so we'll shut down. But that was kind of fun.